In this video, I'm going to show you 3 passive income streams that you can start today for free, and I'm going to prove to you that they really do work. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on future content. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you 3 passive income methods that you can start today, and I'm going to prove to you that they really do work and you can start generating some passive income. If you're watching this and you don't know what passive income is, it's basically just money that keeps coming in even when you're not working. So you could be sleeping, or you could be on the beach, or you could be doing anything, and the money will just keep coming in on complete autopilot. So that's what passive income is, and I'm going to show you these 3 methods which I'm really using. So I'm currently making like thousands of dollars per month in passive income every month that comes in. So in theory, I could stop work today, I could stop promoting, I could turn off my YouTube channels, I could stop everything, and the money will just keep coming in every single month. And that is the beauty of passive income. Obviously I'm not, because I'm trying to become a millionaire, so I need to keep building on that and making even more money coming in, but in theory I could. So if you want to take a week off, or you want to have a lie-in, or you want to go on a holiday or whatever, the money will keep coming in. So that's what's so good about it. But it does require some work to set things up in the first place. So you kind of have to leverage your time. So you have to maybe set something up, whether that's creating a video or a website or writing a blog post or something. Once you've spent your time doing that, you then leave that and the money should keep coming in. So I'm going to explain how that all works in this video today. And just to be clear, I'm going to talk about real passive income methods that you can actually start today, because I've seen some other videos on YouTube and stuff where people say, oh, some great passive income ideas, and then they tell you to go and buy a house and then rent it out, which is a great passive way of making passive income, but it's not perfect if you're just starting out. And if you're looking on YouTube for ways to make passive income, there's a chance that you're probably not in a position to buy a house to rent out. So these are proper passive income methods that you can actually start today. Right, so I'm going to jump on my computer now and get into it and show you some proof that I'm actually making money from passive income, and show you how you can use these methods as well. So the first method I'm going to talk about is affiliate marketing. If you watch my channel, you'll know that my main source of income at the moment is from affiliate marketing. It's a great source of passive income, and you can get started straight away. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's really straightforward. It's just when you promote someone else's product, and when someone signs up and purchases through your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. So for instance, say you use this hair product, you really like it, it's a great hair product. I'm going to tell my friends about this product, and they go, oh, it's really cool, where can I buy it from? And then I'm going to send them my affiliate link for this product. They click on that link, they purchase it, I'll earn a commission. That could be anything from 5% right up to 75% or even 100% in some cases. And that's basically how affiliate marketing works. I'm going to show you in a moment like some of the products which I'm promoting. I'm focused on digital products. The main thing I focus on, which is the greatest source of passive income, is membership-based products. So that just means that, like say a website which has got a membership, I promote that. And when someone signs up to that, I'll earn a commission from when they first join and they pay. But because it's membership based, I'm going to keep earning passive income every month that they stay signed up. So I haven't got to keep selling it to them. I'll keep generating a percentage of their monthly fee every month. And that's where the real passive income comes in. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I promote and how it all works. So if you watch my channel, this is Builderall. Builderall is basically a website builder. But the great thing about Builderall is it's a membership-based product. So I keep earning commissions every month when people stay signed up. So I'm going to log into this just to show you. So when it loads, so I actually had this account for 4 months. I've got 2 Builderall accounts. This is my most recent one. So these earnings are just over the last 4 months, but go to the dashboard here, scroll down. So look, as you can see, I've got 154 active leads on Builderall. So that means 154 people have signed up using my link. I'm going to show you how I promoted it in a moment. They sign up, and then the great thing is, because it's a membership-based product, they stay signed up because they build their websites on it and they use it every day. They stay signed up. I'm earning $30 per person every single month that they stay signed up, which is amazing. Total passive income coming in. So when I'm lying in bed or chilling on the beach or whatever, that money keeps coming in, which is the best thing about passive income. But as you can see here, just my earnings, if you actually add this up, I added it up before, like I've been paid out like $10,000 if you include that. What's available in my account, what's pending and what's on hold. It's almost $16,000 that I've made in the last 4 months from people joining Builderall. So I would have had to create pages in the first place to promote it, or videos, or do that. So this is what you have to do with passive income. You still have to do work. You can't just, it's not a button, you click a button and you make instant money. You have to do things like create websites, create blog posts, produce videos, telling people about these things. And then you can leave them online and people find them, or you run ads to them, or you promote them in certain ways. And that's when the passive income starts coming in. So it's about leveraging your time. So you have to spend time at the start to create a website like this one that I've created to promote Builderall, and a video. And it basically tells people all about Builderall, and if they join under me, all of the things they're going to get. And then look, all of the tools and stuff like that. So and then I leave that up. So if you just go to my Facebook page, this is just my Facebook profile. I've got a link under here. So there's a little image here that says join my Builderall team with a link under that. I leave that there and people just come along and they find that and they sign up. So that's the real passive income. And it's not just with Builderall. So Builderall, you actually have to pay to join that. But other things which I'm promoting at the moment. So ClickMagick, which is just like a link tracking service. Just in June, I've made $166 just by promoting that. Another thing which I'm promoting, I'm just going to log into my PayPal just to show you the income that's coming in from this. So earn easy commissions, you might have seen me talk about this before. When this loads, you can see here, so money coming in, payment from earn easy commissions, $20, $50, $12.50. Scroll down here, $35, $45, $461. There's 1,000 somewhere down here. 265, 1,020. So I've not even really done any promotion for this. The main way that I've been promoting this is free traffic, and it's totally organic. So I've got a Facebook group about affiliate marketing. So I'm telling people about affiliate marketing. So they come along, join my group because they find it in the search. They search affiliate marketing or passive income. And then at the top of my group, I've got a link to a page where I'm kind of telling them about different ways of making money, including earn easy commissions. And the people sign up and I'm earning commissions from that totally on autopilot. So if you want to promote stuff, people always ask me, I can't really do affiliate marketing. I don't know which products to pick or anything like that. The best, easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to choose products which you have used yourself. So if you've got hair products that you think is really good, you can go on Amazon Associates and find an affiliate link for almost any product. And you tell people about that. So you could do a review about it. You could do a blog post about it. You could post it on your Facebook page. And that's the very best way of doing it. So for instance, with Builderall, I joined Builderall because I wanted to use it as a platform to build websites and sales funnels. I found it was great. I wanted to tell people about it. So I told people about it, and then I earned money because of that. So that's the best thing to do, is find products that you used yourself. So if you've bought a course or you've got an iPhone app that you use every day, then go and tell your friends about it, write a blog post about it, create a video about it and tell people, and then add the affiliate link inside that. Because it's much easier to convince people to purchase through your affiliate link if you actually believe in the product, and most people can tell if you're trying to blag it. So that's what I would advise if you want to get into affiliate marketing. The next method is YouTube. So obviously YouTube's an obvious one, but it is so easy to make passive income with YouTube, seriously. So I'm making money from YouTube every day, and I don't even upload that many videos. So if you can get on YouTube, start creating videos, you can really make some passive income. But it's not just from the adverts. There's another way of making passive income as well, which I'm going to explain in a second. But seriously, if you want to get on YouTube, the key is to create a channel based around a niche. So don't just create a generic channel about everything that you do in your life. Create a channel about a certain niche that you're passionate about. So if you're a personal trainer and you're really good in the gym, create a channel about that, or create a channel about you play computer games. You can create around that. You want to create a channel about a certain niche, which is much easier for it to grow, but it's much easier for you to monetize it as well. So I'm just going to show you now how I make money on YouTube. So you make money on YouTube through adverts, which you obviously know. So this is my YouTube channel, which you're obviously on now. And I just create videos about making money online. And then people obviously watch the videos. If there's adverts in front of the videos, I'll make some money from the adverts, which is great. And the key is you want to create videos which stand the test of time, so they're evergreen. So they're things that people are searching for all of the time. So like things like match betting, which was one that I created, about affiliate marketing, which was one that I created. People are always searching for these things. And that's how you end up being in the search terms. You can earn more money with adverts from YouTube. But the amount of money you can earn from adverts is tiny compared to this other method, which I've already explained to you, and that's affiliate marketing. So the thing is, well, most YouTubers, like vloggers and stuff, are leaving money on the table because they're just relying on the adverts. Whereas, like, say, for instance, this match betting video that I created, it's had 116,000 views. But underneath, I've had a link to an affiliate product for this match betting service. And I'm just going to show you now. I'm just going to refresh this page. This is my earnings from this. So this one video, I've not promoted it in any other way apart from this video when this loads. There we go. And I've earned over £4,000 just from that video. But that's growing every month because, as I said before, it's membership based. So each month is my best month because people have signed up and they're staying signed up, and then more people are joining every single day. So you can see here, look at these. I'm getting traffic, clicking on my link, like 50 to 60 people every single day, and multiple commissions every day. And that is totally 100% passive income. So I'm earning about almost £1,000 per month, which is your rent paid for. And I can literally just don't need to do anything else. It's done. I created a video in 20 minutes and that's earning me passive income. So if you keep doing videos and creating more videos about certain subject which you're interested in, which you believe in, so there's no point creating product videos about things that you don't believe in. You're just trying to sell a crappy product, because that does not resonate with people. But if you really believe in it and you're passionate about it, then create a video about it. And then it might not rank straight away, but create another video about it and keep going. And then just one of the videos will stick, like this match betting one, and that will earn you so much money in passive income. So yeah, I would highly recommend getting on YouTube and creating good content about a certain niche and then promote it. But it doesn't just have to be about making money online. You could do a review of this hair gel again, and then say the best hair gel for getting a quiff, and then review it, put your link underneath. People see that and they sign up. It could be about books that you've read. It could be anything. And you can find links, mainly if you're selling like physical products, you can find links on Amazon, Amazon Associates. But yeah, or if it's a course or whatever, you just do reviews or type of videos like that, and you can earn some great passive income from it. So it takes about 20 minutes, half an hour to create a video. You leave it, and then the money just keeps rolling in. So yeah, YouTube's definitely a good one, and you've not missed the boat. I only started this YouTube channel a year ago, and I didn't even really upload that many videos. I've only started to take it up a level recently, but I'm still earning money from this every month. So it's worth it, even for a 20-minute video that you're going to put up. Even if you earn $100 a month, it's still extra passive income coming in. And the great thing about passive income is you can keep doing different methods, getting multiple income streams together, which bring in more passive income. And that's what I'm focusing on at the moment. And my third and final method is creating courses. So you might be watching this thinking, what, creating courses? I can't create a course. I don't know anything about anything. But seriously, I thought that about a year ago. And now people are begging me to create courses about affiliate marketing, about Snapchat, about CPA marketing. And that's just because I've spent a bit of time learning how to do these things. I can almost guarantee that you know more about something than someone else, and you're probably in a position to teach them. So it might be Photoshop, or it might be how to play basketball, or it could be how to work out in the gym, or how to run ads on Facebook, anything. So I'm just going to show you the potential of earning with creating courses. So you can do this for free. Create a course, film it on your laptop, just do like a screen capture kind of like video. It doesn't even have to be high quality, as long as the content that you're putting out is high quality. And there's a website called udemy.com, U-D-E-M-Y. And basically, so you come on here and there's courses about any subject you could ever think about. So obviously I just mentioned Snapchat, which people want me to create a course for, which is quite a niche thing. People want to learn how to make adverts on Snapchat. So you search on here, and there's a few courses that people are already creating and they're making money from it. So this says 300 baht, which I'm in Thailand, so it's about $10. So but that's on its reduced price. So someone's created a course which is 1.5 hours long. They spent time creating it, and they've had 117 people purchase it. And if they're only purchasing it at $10, which is the lowest price, it does go up. This is on offer at the moment. That's over $1,000 they've made for like probably a few hours work to create this course. So if you can think of any subject which you can create a course about, get it on Udemy. You can even set a low price. Doesn't have to be like the most extensive course. Teaching something which you know, and you can make so much passive income. And because it's on Udemy and people come to Udemy, they advertise it themselves, so you haven't got to spend money on adverts. People come here, they search for courses, and they'll find your course and purchase it. And you've only had to create the videos once, and the money keeps rolling in. And then you can even tie that in with your YouTube channel and add the links in underneath your YouTube channel to make even more passive income from your course. So that's another one which I'm going to start taking up a level now, because so many people are asking me to create courses. So I'm going to do that as well. So yeah, that's my free passive income streams, which really do work, which you can get started with today. They're the free ones that I'm focusing on at the moment. So that's everything from this video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you got some value from it, and you can start making some proper passive income online. It's not as hard as it looks, honestly. Let me know how you get on, and let me know if you've got any questions or anything. Until next time, cheers guys.